Hi everyone, this is LT4. I can solve proportions to find the missing value. So there's a bunch of different ways to solve these. I'm going to use cross multiplication, but if you like to do a different way, that's fine. Okay, so for this one I have x over 3 equals 5 over 10. Remember, when there's two fractions and an equal sign in the middle, I can just use cross multiplication. So here I can do 3 times 5, and the other way I can do x times 10. So 3 times 5 is 15. And x times 10 is 10x. And it doesn't matter if you swap these, if you have 10x equals 15, because it's still the same equation. And then we know that 10x is 10 times x, so the opposite is divide by 10. And so x will equal 1.5. And so when I plug 1.5 back in here, these are two equivalent fractions. Okay, so for number 2, it says I can grade 5 tests in 7.5 minutes. How long will it take me to grade 8 tests? And again, there's a lot of different ways to solve these problems, but I'm going to set up proportions like we did on this one. So I can grade 5 tests in 7.5 minutes. And this is how long will it take me to grade 8 tests. And I know that 8 tests will go up here because if I have test over here, I need to also have test over here. And then on the bottom down here, it's asking how long will it take me. I don't know how long it's going to take me. So maybe I'll just pick x. So now that we've set up our proportion, I'm going to solve it the same way as we did number 1. So I'm going to cross multiply and cross multiply. So 5 times x is 5x. 8 times 7.5 is 60. And then same thing as over here. When I have 5x, it's 5 times x. And we know the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I divide by 5, divide by 5. And so we get x equals 12. So that means that it takes me 12 minutes to grade 8 tests.